The HPV and meningitis vaccinations may become mandatory for students coming up. What doctors want parents to know before getting their child vaccinated.
Welcome to a brighter morning. This is 8 News Now with Kirsten Joyce, Sherry Swensk, and Brian Loftus.
Well, today, health organizations kicking off a campaign to gain support for State Senate Bill 117. It would make it mandatory for middle school children to get the HPV and meningitis vaccines.
Now, earlier this week, state lawmakers got a first look at the proposed legislation. 8 News Now reporter Karen Castro is live with why state health experts want students to be immunized against both diseases.
And Brian and Kirsten, it's not mandatory in the state of Nevada for students to get the HPV or meningitis shots. However, doctors we spoke to say they recommend both. Typically, children ages 11 and 12 are recommended they get those vaccinations. However, women can get the HPV shot up to the age of 26. And for men, the age cap is 21. Family physician Sunita Kalra says parents usually come to her asking questions about the effectiveness and risks associated with the vaccines. She says she always tells parents both vaccines can save lives. Dr. Sunita says if parents have children with other medical conditions, it's better to consult with their physician before getting their kids vaccinated.
These are things that may not be important to our kids when they're hearing it because, you know, they probably don't have the gist of what it means. But for parents, we either have seen it or have friends with it or family members with it, and we don't want our kids to have even a risk of exposure.
Now, the state already requires some vaccines in order to enroll a child in school. They include whooping cough, polio, rubella, and measles, among others. However, a student can be excused for religious or medical reasons. Now, an event here kicking off in, right here at the Southern Nevada Health District starting at 10:30 this morning. Health professionals will be on hand answering questions regarding HPV and meningitis as well. We do have more information for you on our website, 8newsnow.com. Use the keyword vaccine. But Kirsten and Brian, it's a great opportunity for parents who may have questions to just come at and get straight answers from professionals, that is.
Certainly
That it
is.
is.
Thank you, Karen.